What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you from Cambridge Audio. This is an integrated stereo amplifier known as the CXA81, and I am super excited to get into this box because Cambridge Audio is a legendary audio company. They've been around since the late 60s, and I've heard their products in different people's homes, but now I get to try one of their products in my own home, and I am excited. They sell everything from speakers to sound bars to amplifiers to CD players to turntables. They have some Bluetooth speakers, basically everything for your hi-fi needs or your home cinema. They kind of sell, which is really cool, and I'm excited. So let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. Before we get into this unboxing, if you enjoy product unboxings, reviews, comparisons, talk about streaming media, and basically all things home theater, why don't you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. But also remember to share these videos with your friends, your family, so that we can continue to grow the channel and get more products like these from manufacturers. And thank you for your support. So here it is, the CXA81 from Cambridge Audio. This came to me in this brown box, and it is totally just a nondescript box. I mean, there could be anything in here, some Tupperware or I don't know, anything, right? But they did put some tape on it that says fragile across the front. Otherwise, it's pretty nondescript. But you want to make sure you're home when this is delivered because you don't want it stolen off of your porch. The box itself weighs about 25 pounds, so you should be able to carry it up the stairs or down the stairs if you need to. But if you have issues carrying that amount of weight, definitely get someone to do it for you. But otherwise, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. It's a good, nice box, but it's just a box, right? So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So they gave us the box within a box, which is great for shipping because it protects your components, which is really nice. On this box, you've got Cambridge Audio up here up top. It says Great British Sound since 1968, CX Series 2, and a few other things. But let's go ahead and let's get into this one. Quick start guide, remote, batteries for the remote, and some sort of RCA cable, and an antenna, maybe a Bluetooth antenna. The CXA81 is an integrated stereo amplifier that outputs up to 80 watts per channel into 8 ohms or 120 watts per channel into 4 ohms using Class AB amplification. The supported frequency response is from 5 Hz to 60,000 Hz. It uses the ESS Sabre ES9016 digital to analog converter, which supports up to 32-bit 384 kHz audio sampling. It features unbalanced RCA inputs, balanced XLR inputs, digital optical and coaxial inputs, along with Bluetooth 4.2 aptX HD. It has dual speaker outputs along with a 3.5mm headphone jack, a preamp output, and a subwoofer output. It is 4.5 inches tall, 16.9 inches wide, and 13.4 inches deep. It weighs 19.1 pounds. So now let's talk about what you get in the box and my impressions. First and foremost, you get this remote control along with the batteries for the remote control. Now, when I looked at this remote control, at first I was a little bit confused because it's kind of long, but what I think they've done here is they've given you one remote for all of the things in the CX line, including the amplifier, which is on top, the network player, which is down here in the middle, and then down there at the bottom, there's also a CD player in the CX line. So I think you can control all the components with this one remote, which is pretty cool. They also give you a power cable, a control bus cable, a Bluetooth antenna, this quick start guide, and of course the amplifier itself. Now this amplifier is pretty nice. When you pick it up, the transformer is actually in the center of the box. Hopefully you can see it there in that picture. And so that means that it's actually very well balanced front to back and side to side. So when you pick it up, you're not going one way or the other, which I kind of like. Up top, you've got this vent here to allow the heat to escape out of the box. So if you're going to sit something on top of this, you want to make sure you have some sort of air gap so the heat can escape out of this box. But I'm not so sure you should put anything on top of it. But if you were, I would say definitely look out for that. The front face here, it's got this silver finish here that I guess Cambridge Audio is known for. At least that's what I think of when I think of Cambridge Audio. You got the name up top, along with a power button down here on the left hand side, and input selections here, and a headphone jack there, along with the main volume button right here on the right hand side. Now let's talk about the rear of the CXA81, and we'll start on the far left down here with the power connection, along with the serial RS-232 connection, control bus in and out, trigger in and out, and you also have the speaker connections right here, followed by this subwoofer connection out here, and you get unbalanced RCA inputs along with the balanced XLR inputs. There are digital optical connections inputs here and digital coax connections there. There is a Bluetooth connection for the Bluetooth antenna and a USB connection there. So you have all the major connections you need on the back of this box. And one thing that Cambridge Audio has done that I like is the fact that they give you not only what it is right side up, but they also give it to you upside down. So if you happen to be leaning over looking for a connection, you can still read it, which I like a lot. So thank you, Cambridge Audio, for that. I will be doing a full review on this, so expect to see that in a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, something like that. I'm going to take my time with this one and just kind of enjoy it because it's cool, right? So I'm looking forward to that, and I want to get to that. But if you want to purchase this or anything else from Cambridge Audio, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember to share these videos, and we'll talk to you next time.